Hey everyone, this is Adam from 911 Reviews. Today I'm in the kitchen because we're going to talk about faucets, and in particular this touch faucet. Super high quality, super easy to use and install, so let's go ahead and take a look right about now. So it's a one-hole, smart touch control, single handle pull-out kitchen sink faucet made with brushed nickel, and it's also 100% certified lead-free. One thing you should notice with faucets that you buy online is that the connectors are high quality, and this one certainly has the highest quality connections I've seen of anything I've bought. A lot better than the stuff you get at Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart. It comes with everything you need for installation. It's 15 inches high, has an 8-inch aerator handle, the faucet reach is 8.6 inches, and the diameter of the body is 2 inches. The easy one-touch on and off is a nice addition to any house. If you're ever going to sell your house, this is an inexpensive upgrade that people are going to love when they see it. I also like the 360 range of motion, which is definitely an upgrade as opposed to some cheaper brands. And also the buttons on the hardware, you can tell they're not going to easily wear out. For anyone who's looking to install it, here's one more look at all the pieces and parts. You can tell that it comes with everything you need for installation other than maybe a couple wrenches, so you should be good to go. I should also note that you're not going to need an electrician to install it. It's pretty straightforward, no big deal for your average plumber or guy's guy to put into your sink. And although I don't show them up close, the instructions are written in English that you can actually read. One of the things I've seen with a lot of products nowadays is you get them straight out of China, and the instructions are really difficult. These ones made sense, so this particular faucet is going to get the 911 seal of approval. Alright, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click like, subscribe for new videos all the time. We've got great products for you. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Again, click like. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.